Ni hao. Hello, everyone. My name is Christian Ronquillo, and I'm currently a PhD student in mechanical engineering at the LaSalle University in the Philippines. I'm honored to be here at National Ilan University in Yilan City, Taiwan, where I'm conducting my 6 months research internship under the Thermofluid Bioenergy Laboratory, or TFBE lab. My research topic is design and development of a biomimetic fluid flow of microbial fuel cells that focuses on computational fluid dynamics, or CFD, applied to MFC. In particular, I study fluid flow behavior and mass transport inside MFC to improve their efficiency for sustainable bioenergy production. I choose National Ilan University and the TFBE laboratory because of their advanced research facility and expertise in LFC technology and bioenergy system. The opportunity to collaborate with researchers here allows me to expand my knowledge, gain hands-on experience, and contribute on ongoing research and sustainable energy technology. During my stay in Yilan City, I'm working closely with the research team to conduct simulations, analyze experimental system, and exchange ideas that will strengthen international collaboration between our institutions. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my professor in the Philippines, Dr. Aristotle Obando, here in Taiwan, Professor Xin-Chan Wang, the Taiwan Experience Education Program, or TIP, and ERDT for approving and supporting my participation in this program. I would also like to thank the Ministry of Education for supporting international research collaboration and providing this valuable opportunity for students like me. This experience allows me not only to advance my research, but also to learn from Taiwan's innovative research environment and culture. Thank you very much, and I look forward for a productive and meaningful research experience here at National Ilan University. Shishi and salamat po.